Good morning, my beautiful people. Welcome to Sarah House of Flavor. This morning I'll be preparing some brown stew chicken. What did I say? Some brown stew Jamaican chicken. So as you can see here, I already seasoned my chicken just with carrots. I have Irish potato cut up in it. I have some bell pepper, and we know it as green pepper, onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, pimento seed, all of those already added to my chicken. And whatever season you want to use, you can go ahead and use it, guys. Alright, I also add a little salt to my chicken. Okay, so as you can see, so here you go, guys. This is what I add to my chicken. I don't give it a stir as yet, but this is called browning. When you're doing your brown stew chicken, you have to add browning to the chicken to give it that nice brown color. Alright, so I add a little browning. So I'm gonna give it a stir, and when I give it a stir, guys, you will see the color, and then I'm gonna add it to my pot and start my cooking. Alright, so let's go, guys. So guys, see, my brown stew chicken is all simmering down and everything. So yes, that's for breakfast this morning. And this gonna go along with some boiled dumpling, boiled yam, and some steamed vegetable. That's on my menu at Sarah's House of Flavor. And over there you can see my water is coming to a simmering to put my yam, my Irish potato, and my boiled dumpling. Alright, so this is just another shot of what I'm doing here. When I'm finished, I will definitely show you the finishing product. Alright, so that's on the menu for today. Brown stew chicken with some boiled yam, dumpling, and Irish potato and steamed vegetable. So see you guys in a while. Alright, yes, my beautiful family. So as you can see here, breakfast is coming to an end. So the chicken is just simmering down. My vegetable over here, and I have a mixture of vegetables. Alright, so I will leave everything in the description box, and you can see everything that I put in my vegetable. And over here also you can see my boiled dumpling, my yam, sweet potato, Irish potato, all cooking and simmering down. So this is breakfast, guys. This is breakfast. This is breakfast in Sarah's House of Flavor. Okay, so guys, as you can see over here, everything is coming down to a simmer. We are simmer it down, yes. Okay, so after everything is finished, I will all plate it out or dish it out to give you that final look of my presentation. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video. You can share it. There you go, guys, there you go. So I'm gonna close up all my pots here to let them just simmer down. Simmer down. Alright, so this is what is on the menu at Sarah's House of Flavor. Brown stew chicken with steamed vegetable, and over here you have boiled dumpling, yam, Irish potato, and sweet potato. So I see you guys in a bit. My beautiful people, this is my breakfast. This is the end result. This is the presentation. The brown stew chicken with vegetable, yam, Irish potato, and some whole wheat dumpling. And for sure, a cup of tea. Okay? So this is breakfast, people. This is breakfast, my lovely people, my lovely people. This is the end result. So as you can see, the brown stew chicken, mixed steamed vegetable, piece of yam, Irish potato, and a whole wheat boiled dumpling with a cup of tea. So breakfast is served over Sarah House of Flavor. Okay, my lovely people. So this is the end result. This is the end result. So please give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, Sarah House of Flavor. Thank you, my beautiful people. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoy this video, and I hope you can go about and do some brown stew chicken and add your own flavor, add your own taste to it. All right? So thank you again, my beautiful people. Give you a last shot. Give you one more shot. There you go. Beautiful.